Oh, Manipur is welcome to Ngangyam Dress. Right to freedom of speech later Manipur. What do you mean by democracy? Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, for the people. We are the people. Democracy go on to later Belam Sida. A queen in the Equator.
Delhi like the Mamika, much in the Zimbabwe in something a lowly. By the government, for the people, for the government. Hey! I don't know what's a rhyme. Tibita, the Zimbabwe. Tirona, Tinkle, little star. Ding dong, bang! Tiro Zimbabwe. I know me up, Kitty Sankoba. Nangulisaba. Sankoba. Hey, Gulisaba!
Say,
oh, yeah, the Kusukume singing the song. Police no the camera. Ha! Hey, Gully on the captain.
no, with the sudden Narakansa.
You can't listen to my mother. No, I could listen.